Where are we going? Hey, so actually Dixon, I want to ask you, why are we going KL?
Oh, we're going for our Goodbite launch. Yeah, not holiday. I wish it was a holiday.
Hello, it's you. It's you.
It's who?
We are reunited. Hey, you take camera leh. I don't want to film. I don't want. Why am I filming? I don't want. How was your car?
It was quiet, surprisingly.
Quiet?
Yeah. We were just sleeping.
Oh, we partying eh. Hey.
Can we really sleep? Sleep lah.
We have finally reached the hotel after the long car ride. It's time to check in. Jump! Who booked the hotel one? So nice this time.
Gets me or not? Gets
Still
me or
got
not?
art eh.
Gets
Still
me or
got
not?
art eh. Oh, gee.
Oi.
Sorry. Actually, the service very good. They still say the luggage they will bring up.
Yeah, come. Must not first the tradition. I'm coming in. Let's go.
Wow,
aircon already. They have a mural.
哎，你可以不要穿鞋吗？你在家给我穿鞋的。3, 2, 1。Oh my god! It's just so.
Wow. Dude, wait, the decor is amazing. And you know what else is amazing? This is amazing. Yeah, we are on the what? 19th floor. Oh, wait, a bit scary, bro.
Why?
You try lah. If you stand very close to the edge, you can feel like I want to fall. The room is like comfortable. All the basic amenities that you are looking for, you do it super well. Actually, I haven't seen the toilets.
Oh, nice. Eh?
Damn.
Come, we must both go in.
Why?
Try see can fit 2 people.
But why would it be 2 guys? Hey,
This guy like quite handsome.
Okay lah, like skinny right. Wow, these people like good
No lah, don't like that. Hey.
敲敲门，你在不在？
你可以不要穿鞋吗？
The view nice, yeah.
The view damn nice.
We should say hello KL. New Year! Hello KL!
Wow.
Hey, you ready to spill some tea? Ooh. Okay, so we're here at Lady E Tea House, which is in 4 Sheraton itself. So we have a tea blending workshop before we eat our lunch. And our very friendly tea teacher today. Teacher just walked us through, so we're gonna do that. Cheers!
That is delightful. Oh, the top one is very nice.
Right? The top one's nice, right? Yeah! We here! What's the iconic part of this? Merdeka Square?
Malaysia got their independence.
Oh, so they were here when they got their independence.
yeah.
Did you get that? They were here at Merdeka Square when we secured our independence
From British colony.
on 31st August 1957. As in besties lah, we were also colonized.
Same as Singapore.
Yeah, same law. You must walk cool. And go.
Run. How to run? Heavy.
As you can see, there's a line. This sign is very popular. So like, we're just gonna do it our own now. Stick your leg up. Ready? One,
Wait, stick, wait.
out.
Oh.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello. No photo.
不要拍。
Okay.
Hello, is it rolling? This is a landmark that Dixon put in. It's the ancestral hall where Chinese migrants come together to make friends.
But what's your name?
陈，我的名
I also
字。
Chen.
哦，我们的名字。哇！
Get the shot. Clark Kent Superman.
Oh no, it's gonna hurt.
So typically a lot of people like to start their bar hopping night at Jann Bar at 4 Point Sheraton because there's a lot of bars nearby around here. There's like Penrose, PS 150 and even Attic Bar. Many options to choose from. There's drinks, there's food. It's just a very good location.
The drinks here very interesting, like the Dao Fu Fa cocktail. A bit confused, but it's a new experience. This like tea ceremony thing, it's giving Chinese wedding. Very interesting way of like experiencing cocktails in a very cultural way.
Nope.
Thank you guys so much. It has been an insane couple of weeks. I appreciate all the work that you guys have put into making this place look frankly amazing. Like, it really looks very good.
Please enjoy yourselves.
What about fire?
I just want to tell you guys a little bit about how Goodbite came to be, what we actually are, because we're not a restaurant, and what we're planning to do.
Oh, they're ready for karaoke. Oh, hey. Sip, sip, sip.
How was your trip?
I love the cafe hopping. I want to do it again.
Fun.
Eventful.
Finally got to see the KL office.
Super awesome. Goodbye was super fun.
Amazing.
The trip was fun. The trip was great. So happy to see everyone together.
Having everyone over, celebrate, get to have some good drinks with us.
We had a nice lunch yesterday and we just had a nice dinner too. So yeah,